Batwoman, Catman, I'm very glad to see that you've recovered from your last mission, because I have another one for you. The President has learned that evil genius has created some secret plans to do something evil.
Yes, we need you to find him and stop him.
One of his henchmen was recently seen behind a gay bar called the Backyard. Perhaps you should check it out. I'm sending you the coordinates now.
Don't worry. I'm your cat.
And I'm your bat.
Good luck, and be careful. The fate of the world depends on you.
Things are about to get frisky. Hangman style. Secret plans!
Batwoman, Catman, you'll never get my secret plans. They're secret. Why don't you work with me? Together we can rule the world. Join me, and these slippers are yours.
I'll take those slippers and the secret plans. You're no match for my ultrasonic beatdown. Ultrasonic beatdown!
Ah, my brain is melting. You can't see it, but it's really bad. Ah! Ah! Here, take these. The secret plans are no good without them.
Good job, Batwoman and Catman. The world is safe once again thanks to your heroic efforts. Good job!